Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So I already showed you these little pumpkins that I made inspired by Strawberry Cream 39. And if you watch her channel, she shows you how to make these and they're super easy. You can even hand sew it, which is what I did. And so I had made these pumpkins, which a lot of you really liked. And then I bought some larger felt. This is actually only because my felt was it's that one from Paper Tray Ink, so it's only, I don't know, it's not that big, so you can only make a certain size. So this one I bought the larger sheets that you can get from like Ben Franklin or Walmart, and I made some larger size pumpkins, and I think they came out cute. So look at the big difference in size. Right, so this is more like decor. I think she made this small size because it was more like embellishments that you could use it for. And you know what's really weird is that after I made these, I saw Prima is coming out with a fall line, and they had like a lot of pumpkins on their paper, but they actually had these really tiny little pumpkin embellishments. So now you can make your own. But anyway, so then I used, this is actually some Christmas, I don't know, like to decorate for Christmas. And I had, saved it from last year because I had gotten a bunch of it, and I, twisted this around the vines. And I had used that to decorate my friend's, retirement party. Actually, that must have been 2 years ago, not just last year. So I saved all of those, and I took it apart, and I decided to use the leaves on some of these projects. So this is the white one that I did. I did 2 white ones, and then I did a pink. I did 2 pink ones. Another one I'll show you in another video. And then I just recently found this mint color at Walmart, so I finally made the mint colored ones. I think they came out super cute. Okay, so that's the pumpkins now that I have the larger sizes. And then if you watch, sorry, I keep hitting the my iPhone holder. Okay, so then I watched a video that was from the same person, Strawberry Cream 39, and she had done these acorns. So they came out super cute. It's a lot more work than the pumpkins. Like the pumpkins, you can crank it out pretty fast, but these it's a little bit more time because you have to sew each panel. So each panel you have to cut 6 of this size. It looks like a leaf, and then you have to sew the sides together so that it's more 3D, so that you can stuff it with the batting. And then this top is just a circle that you also stuff with batting, and then you just make the stump the same way that you make the pumpkin one, which is you just roll it. So the hardest part to me was making these little leaves. So you don't have to use it. You can totally use your own leaf. She just said that it was an oak leaf, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try and make it. And as you can see, it's really bad looking. The other part that was hard for me was to glue on the acorn without making it look like a mess. So you're supposed to use the cording to kind of hide your glue mess, but I still think they came out pretty cute. You can actually put a button at the bottom of your acorn, but I gave all of my buttons away to my mom because she was doing some sewing projects, and not sewing but crochet projects, and I wasn't planning on using buttons, and then now I'm back to using buttons. So you never know, right, when you're gonna get back into something. But I just wanted to share these because I think that they came out cute. If you want the pattern for these, you can just email Strawberry Cream. Please go to her channel. Although I got the pattern, you still need to watch the tutorial in order to figure out how to put it together, because when I was doing it, I thought I could just figure it out, and I actually messed up. So I hand sewed these. You can tell, look how ugly it is, but I'm sure if you use your sewing machine, it'll come out a lot nicer. It's just that I haven't set up my sewing machine yet or learned how to use it yet. So, and I really wanted to make these for a purpose. So anyway, I decided to just try and do it by hand sewing it. So I may make more, I'm not sure. They're a little time consuming to do, but I do like the result. So you might want to give it a try if you like doing sewing projects. I made some more that I'll share in another video. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on. I actually have a swap coming up, so I'm trying to finish up all of the stuff for that swap, and then once I finish all of that, I will share it with you. I think that's it for now, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!